Hello and welcome to DIY for Beginners, part of the DIYB group of videos. This is episode 6, installing a magnetic knife holder. Today we're going to be looking at installing a magnetic knife holder. Okay, so I bought one of these from one of these home kitchen stores. Basically, let's open it up and take a look at it. Looks fairly simple. So a few screws, so a magnetic bar, and a plate for hanging. So, wow, that does seem pretty simple. So really, all we're doing is we're going to screw this into the wall. Look carefully, so you got your two screws. So we're just going to center this, put it exactly where we want it, and this here simply sticks to it. Okay, so that'll stick to it. Hang on the wall, and then we can hang our knives on this magnetic plate. Okay, really, really simple. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. So there we go. We'll take it apart. Next, I'm going to measure to exactly where I want this, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Okay. So what I've done is I've measured all the way across from the edge of this doorway to the cupboard, and so it's 21 inches all the way across. This plate is 16 inches, so that leaves me with 2.5 inches on either side if I want to get this centered. So I've used my my level here. So what I've done was I pretty much put my level at the bottom of the cupboard here. Made sure that I'm nice and level. Make sure the level bubble is nice and even. So I got a nice straight line from the cupboard to the doorway, and then I'm going to move my plate 2.5 inches in, and that's where I'm going to want it on the wall. I'm going to make sure there's 2.5 inches on this side, 2.5 inches on that side. I took a pencil and I drew circles where the holes were going to be. And there you go. There you have it. Okay, we have two. You can see them, but I've drawn two holes, one here, and that's where we're going to drill for our screws. Okay, so I've taken my 3/16 drill bit. What you basically want to do is, so you take your drill bit, you take your socket, it's going to go into the drywall, and what you want to do is, if you don't know the exact size, you basically want to line them up, look at them together, and make sure that your drill bit isn't bigger than you don't want to be making a bigger hole for this than needed, so you go relatively close to the width of your plug. Okay, so with a 3/16, this will make a hole just big enough for this plug to fit tightly into. I tend to eyeball it. I've made my mistakes, but I'm usually pretty good at it now. Okay, so I'm going to drill my two holes. There we go. So our two holes are done. Okay, so now we're going to take our plugs, gently insert them, push them in as far as you can, and then if you have to, gently tap it with a hammer. Don't go crazy on these because you will destroy them. Again, we're all beginners here. I've done it. So I've made a hole too small. I've stuck the plug in, didn't go in all the way. I started banging it with a hammer, started banging harder with the hammer. It ended up bending and ruining my plug. So take it easy. If it doesn't fit, we'll use a bigger drill bit. But let's see. Okay, so it's gone about halfway in. See that? A few gentle taps. and I got the plug in the wall. Same with this one. Ooh. Okay, gentle taps. Done. Next, we're gonna hang our plate. Very simple. 2 screws, 2 holes, 2 plugs. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my, oh, actually, I'll use this. I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Actually, no, I won't. Okay, so I got my my screwdriver drill bit. Makes life a lot easier. Makes things happen a lot faster. There we go. One metal plate installed. Well, the rest is easy. This magnet just sticks to it. That's it. There you go. One magnetic knife holder. I've ordered some new knives. When they get here, I'll hang them up and we'll show you how they look. Once again, it's a nice, easy project. Thank you for joining me. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, please hit subscribe. That's how you guys are telling me that you want to see more videos from me. And it helps me out a lot. I really appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button and come back for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.